Digital currencies have progressively saturated the standard awareness and built up some momentum. Be that as it may, a significant number of them neglect to endure for the long haul and will keep on doing as such, gave Xie's mass reception at the point when a progressive resource stepped in. This was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority yearn for the sake of entertainment. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2023. As per the Axie Boundlessness Cost Examination, the base cost of Axie will be around $6.09 in 2023. The greatest value that the Axie can reach is $14.79. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2025. In view of our Axie cost forecast 2025, the cost of the token is anticipated to rise and reach $19.07 toward the finish of 2025. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2030. As per our Axie Boundlessness Coin Cost Forecast 2030, the Axie crypto may exchange the scope of $41.34 to $59.51, and the typical cost of Axie may be around $50.43. What is Axie Limitlessness? Being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie Endlessness is based on Ethereum organization. There are endless approaches to procuring Axie. Yet being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, blockchain remunerating players for commitment, is completely unfathomable in the realm of Axie Limitlessness. Axie Boundlessness Biological System is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and construct utilizing digital money. Players can acquire the Axie crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight NFT games have acquired colossal ubiquity around the world. Thus, this might support the general development of the Axie environment and ETH, according to our Ethereum cost expectation. From one viewpoint, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion period. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem wherein it sets out work open doors for the general population and constructs a climate of a solid local area, cutting the guide to a manageable stage. Clients can claim the local Axie endlessness of the Axie Commercial Center, gather them, and use them across a consistently extending universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie Limitlessness Convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The upsides of blockchain go past boundaries and the restrictions of simply the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, Axie Limitlessness is set to make lives more engaged and quick. In a novel manner, the Axie Limitlessness Convention has likewise added to killing the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They likewise came in bundles, be it repetitive expenses, speed, or pretend of brokers. Axie's totally centers around offering clients the advantage of productive information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and perfect, in this way supporting its worldview job in the advanced ecospace. With a market cap of $807,073,347 and an exchanging volume of $31,366,767, Axie Endlessness ongoing cost activity mirrors a good recuperation. The Axie Vastness cost weights around $6.90, with an unsurpassed high and low of $165.37 and 12 cents. Separately, in the crypto market, Axie Endlessness has an ongoing circling supply of 116,939,046 Axie, and the pioneers behind Axie Vastness are exceptionally hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie Boundlessness has a ton of vows to see for its fans according to their specialized investigation. As per specialized investigation, Axie tokens have been exchanging very negatively. In the wake of stirring things up around town, the token rectified enormously and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. Be that as it may, the future cost of Axie Boundlessness is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Is Axie Boundlessness still beneficial in 2023? Axie Vastness Universe offers many advantages. However, the year 2022 was not awesome for the cryptographic money market. The market was incredibly unstable, and the gamble to rewards proportion was additionally horrible. The year 2023 has been somewhat better for crypto financial backers as the market has been recuperating. Nonetheless, the recuperation of Axie Endlessness was exceptionally present moment, and the costs have again arrived at the lows of 2022. Axie holders might add more tokens to average their possessions. However, for new financial backers, it is a hazardous chance to enter the market. Notwithstanding, since the cost is supposed to rise, merchants who can manage the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these Axie Limitlessness shards. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2023. Our Axie Vastness Crypto Cost Forecast proposes that the symbolics cost could record a good recuperation. Toward the finish of 2023, the Axie Boundlessness cost is determined to have a most extreme worth of $14.79, while the typical cost might be around $10.44. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $6.09. Axe coin value expectation 2024 according to our Axie boundlessness cost forecast. The Axe coin will proceed the upturn as long as possible, and its most extreme worth might reach $17.31, while the base cost might be $12.02. Simultaneously, the Axe token could have a typical cost of around $14.66. It is normal that the Axe financial backers might procure respectable benefits in the year. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2025. Axie endlessness in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $16.16. While the base and greatest Axie vastness cost may be $13.25 and $19.07. Separately, in light of our Axie endlessness coin cost forecast 2025, Axe value expectation 2026 according to the Axie endlessness estimate, the Axe coins could arrive at the greatest worth of $23.44, with a base cost of $16.28. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $19.86. In light of our cost expectations, the Axie endlessness coins cost ascend for the year may be tremendous. Axe crypto value expectation 2027 in view of the specialized examination and Axie vastness forecast. The digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $25.24. In examination, the base and greatest costs of Axe are expected to be $20.69 and $29.79. Axie endlessness coin value forecast 2028 as indicated by our Axie vastness expectation. The greatest worth is expected to be $37.52, while the potential low might be around $26.06. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $31.79 all year long. Axie vastness coin expectation 2029 when it is 2029. The likely high of the coin might have reached $46.71, according to our Axie endlessness crypto cost forecast. Taking a gander at the past presentation of the Axie endlessness, the base and normal costs might be around $32.45 and $39.58. Separately, Axie boundlessness value forecast 2030 in light of Axe coin cost expectation 2030, the base, most extreme, and normal costs are anticipated to be $41.34, $59.51, and $50.43 separately. In 2030, the general cost change for Axe may be dramatic. Is it beneficial to put resources into Axie vastness? In light of the Axe cost expectation, it tends to be reasoned that it is productive to put resources into Axie vastness as long as possible. By 2030, the normal cost of Axie boundlessness is supposed to be around $59.51. Our Axie boundlessness cost figure certainly shows that the token might have a sluggish development rate, yet the computerized money will ascend from now on. Where to purchase Axie limitlessness? Axie limitlessness is accessible to exchange on major crypto trades like Binance, Huobi Worldwide, FTX, KuCoin, and so on.